The global woodworking machinery market is estimated at USD 5.20 billion in 2025. It is projected to reach USD $7.90 billion by 2032, growing at a CAGR of 6.1%. A lathe segment accounts for 42.8% of the woodworking machinery market share in 2025. A furniture segment is projected to capture 46.7% of the market share in 2025. Europe dominates the woodworking machinery market with a 41.1% share in 2025. Asia-Pacific holds 27.4% share in the woodworking machinery market in 2025. U.S. woodworking machinery manufacturing revenue reaches $1.5 billion in 2025. It grows at a CAGR of 2.3% over the past 5 years through 2025. There are 243 businesses in the U.S. woodworking machinery manufacturing industry in 2025. They grew at a CAGR of 7.3% in business count from 2020 to 2025. The global woodworking CNC tools market is valued at USD $8.2 billion in 2025. It is expected to reach USD $13.4 billion by 2035 at a CAGR of 5.0%. Woodworking machines market size increases by USD $1.52 billion from 2024 to 2029. It grows at a CAGR of 4.6% between 2024 and 2029. Global woodworking machinery market was USD $47,226.0 million in 2024. It reaches USD $48,976.0 million in 2025, with a CAGR of 3.9% to 2033. The woodworking tools market is valued at USD $6.893 billion in 2025. It is forecasted to hit USD $8.549 billion by 2030 at a CAGR of 4.40%. Global woodworking machinery grows from USD $5.23 billion in 2025 to USD $7.88 billion by 2032. It exhibits a CAGR of 6.0% from 2025 to 2032, with Europe at 40.36% share in 2024. For a longer answer and millions more questions, visit Qeeebo.com today.